launches and CTK staking with up to for 3.80% APY. APY stands for annual percentage yield. It talks about so fellow Binance. Binance staking has launched a series of new, i.e., the CTK locked staking activities. So you can now stake your CTK starting from 2022 0126 at 12 p.m. UTC to earn multiple rewards. To deposit to an stake CTK for 10, 30, 60 or 90 days. You can enjoy up to for 3.80% APY. So this APY, you need to divide it by 365 days to suit the number of days you will be going for. So if you're going for 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, you want to calculate it to know the exact APY you should be expecting. So an APY for 10 days, if you divide for 3.80, that's going to be about 4.38% annual APY times the product in general. So locked staking format, first come first serve basis, say interest calculation period from 00 a.m. UTC on the day after locked staking is confirmed to the end of the corresponding product period. The interest type, payout time on a daily basis, and more. So offered products, lock stakings. They said digital assets, we have CTK here, duration for lock staking for 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. That's 3 months. So maximum lock staking per limit per user is going to range from 250 to 700 CTK. So for 30 days, that's they have the coin maximum. So you want to take note of that. So standard annualized interest rates are going to be on 43.80, 21.85. So these are the annualized interest rates you want to take note of. Minimum lock staking limit is 1 CTK. So please note that users can view their lock staking assets by going to the wallet and lock staking and locked option. You'll be able to see the list of wallet tokens you put on locked. The APY is adjusted daily based on the on-chain staking rewards, and the specific APY is subject to page display on the day. So unlock period for the lock staking products 1 day. So about early redemption, users can choose to redeem in advance. After choosing early redemption, the principal will be returned to the spot wallet, and the distributed interest will be deducted from the refunded principal due to different global times. It usually takes about 48 to 72 hours to receive your tokens. For activity 2, it says buy and stake CTK to share 12,500 CTK tokens. It's going to run from 26 to first week of February 2nd. In particular, it says during the promotion, users who spot trade CTK tokens, that is the amount, purchase amount minus sell amount, the cost is greater than 600 CTK, can participate in 30, 60, or 90 days. So 500 users will be selected to benefit from this. Activity 3 says new locked staking users to share 10,500 CTK tokens. So you have tokens reward every user for eligible first 200 places. Loads of them, guys. So terms that the 60k rewards activity, activity 2 will be allocated to recipient Binance wallet within 3 weeks after the activity ends. For the 10-day staking is a high yield activity, therefore it is not included in activity 2. So Binance reserves the right to disqualify any participant showing signs of fraudulent behavior. So Binance reserves the right to cancel or amend the activity or activity rules as sole discretion. So guys, that's all. If you buy keys, I'll drop a link in the comment section in the description box so you can start and go ahead with these procedures. Peace out.